motion Julie Juu Tv. Me say ene ampaya ebeja. And ampaya ebejo. Yeda so Ghana party in the park. I enema efe. Mo show me komu ya. Who say Ghana flag. Not just a Ghana for any yard ya nankasa. Enye yi say. I ye woman ya be mebia. Ono na oton sa flag sim. Ene Ghana niema beble ewa ha. Say ye won nchen. Enti ye ne be kwa akotwetwe nkomo. Ta mini kutu na hwe ye. Me nua be ma odin decide.
Me din di Rafarazzi.
Oh, Rafarazzi. Yes. Me pacha oti krom ha ana ofri back home na ode niema e bae.
Me pacha mete Ghana, mete dansuman na me ye Ghana niema. Ba e ba ne party in the park a festival agidi mpa e wo.
Bra, me the mic name ma. Chirem men krofo hu say wonne hanadu di na so what I say. Je kasa chewa.
Me do obi ase, obi otie bia me da mo ase say mutie Julie Juu. Julie Juu. Yes, party in the park, a festival agidi ye pa wo baby my moon nyina. Nti me free Ghana dance man and I'm say na party in the park. Say the course so dey bia fi bia obi aka wan sem any bia ya de na me so afi we me fa me niama sonko a me ye. Wo hwe niama me ye ntade me ye mpaboa me ye bags wo hwe we mu a wo hwe we kwa me nkroma every tete. Ye niama bebre nti say no why not ade na nde me so me yes we so me yes wo hwe me din na gu on Rafarazzi e bia ne bag yo be fa bia me din ego so ne Ghana. Stronko, me no design, special one. Me patron, me juma me ya no Ghana no. Yes. Yeah, no.
Okay, young kotoso.
Nti no me nyama be brentade bags, shoes, and then a whole draw different. So I said that nti na member ha na me mfa nyama ne so bi embetre na nti me ntombi na mfa mpushi Ghana tradition no ne culture ne nkɔ nanim. Nti na ye ba ha party in the park enu nti ne ye nam. Trepa we say me pacho ya me designs na any and I specialize in stuff Ghana I represent Ghana and to show me name no say flag entire bags nina I represent Ghana it promotes the culture so basically no my agenda is say me promote Ghana culture no and no more na me de
okay enti Ghana also to dance man brebe na wo sase say wo pese wo ye niam afefefe say say o dwene say wo be wo the Ghana flag sim ebe ye mpaboa wo the be ye bags I mean e wo niam na efe brebe na wo sase planning say adwuma
me sure no be me fit do near 10 years near me sure say you university ni we no ya pese ya adwuma me ready to try employment akomo bia nti me we na me say no me sure say kakra me need dem why sure say na edin but along the line over the years we've been growing people are accepting us everywhere and then the EDABP landing Exibit nti no for 10 years and where we've come so far and we're still going higher promoting the Ghanaian culture
we anga okopa adwuma ke baby say how many experience do you have? So you have 10 years experience.
Exactly.
E was awa wonsa no adwuma ho. Papa why ade o? Say obi pebi ato e wo Ghana ho a. E hefa na wo shop ne wo. A obenya bi ato.
Me pa cho yo, your shop there wo dansuman. Dansuman do run about. Ubi so bia Rafarazzi a. Obe hu yen. Say social media so a. Obo Rafarazzi, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter baby a. Odi Rafarazzi, African Couture Shewa. Obo Kofi Kinata na e brand ambassador Samini mu nyina share bag TV nti ko page ni so bon so bia Calibos access nyina share niam ni bi nti unya bo Rafarazzi po Google bear ye niam ni nyina be show your information your number bibia wo so
obi hwe akọ abaka se Samini nuane o se obi pese obi hwe ye se nani je ho na obese otobi ukọ Ghana na obese otobi na opost brana obetimi aya na
me say me sure say fear dunia no a lot of the time so more motor niama no bebre na mo amano ne ha no motor nti me ni DHL for one hye ya onya my order per 3 days na we nya obi bia nti wherever you are in the world we are in touch with DHL our partner or shipping my nti onya hit here app so pay shipping 3 days on sabeka no libi onya ya na onya
de jawo ne celebrity ya na egbo ide obi anim say o ka say bia o ya anya de a obetimi aye ne bone mebo a
stop pepe
okay ani afa o telephone number any say ba bia say watch that ba bia wo o telephone number na say wo email address and na say wo website baby a obi hwe wo benya wo no fatu dwane
me pa cho ti say unya ya said I make candidate no down 2 months social media so to me bo Rafarazzi Rafarazzi ubenya results my number 02 Ghana 0244 071 965 0244 071 965. So I'm on this one, all the code, no, I share him. And yeah, basically, yes, that's how you find us. And yeah, you're right, baby, unya Google, the internet, not the Rafarazzi shower. Whatever you want about us will pop up for you.
Minu abema why there when your money you come up maybe say wo share do for new customers nyina almost wo share wo.
Wow, I know the Michiobia make her come mamia. She's always been pushing, praying for me, promoting me and everything. To my mother, Shelly Mensa, wherever you are, it's for you. Now, because everybody I mean to me, and my other friends, all those that supported me from Samini, from Calibos, I can mention names. Kofia Jololo, everybody that supported the brand. Thanks to everybody, and let's keep pushing it and make Ghana proud and make the culture very famous and popular.
And yeah. Adofo nyina nso adawase adofo nyina adawase enti Julie Juu Tv me se bomodin a subscribe to your channel no like share na we are ma comment wo yesa ema ye more of him ema ye moral na boost your immune system no ama ye hoden dada aye program for e dia bro ye da so a ewo Ghana party in the park ahaya eni edi obesie many abema ma wadofo baba ne enko
bye bye Julie Juu that's so that's